Cool. All right. So one interesting thing I want to point out here before diving deeper in is going to be the disparity that we have going on currently between basically all three indices. We'll just put it that way. So ES and Dow Jones are a little bit more correlated right now, as opposed to NQ. So if I drop down to a 5-minute chart, it might be easier to see. So 5-minute chart, you guys can see obviously what we're doing. So Dow Jones and ES are more so weak, selling off, and NQ's kind of been slowly working higher, right? So here's ES and Dow Jones side by side, and then you have NQ kind of the only one in kind of its own dimension at the moment. So if anything, I was feeling a little bit more bullish going into today, looking at the NQ charts. So that would tell me that NQ is definitely stronger than the other two averages. And just looking at price here, let's go to like a 4-hour chart just to show you guys a little bit of my bias. Yeah, TGIF would be to the downside. You're right. We don't know if that's going to happen though during AM or PM session though. So I'm just going off of what I'm seeing on the chart. Currently, what I'm seeing on the chart is we pulled back yesterday, obviously, and filled that 4-hour inefficiency. Basically filled the entire inefficiency from the FOMC news release. And now we're just right back up, right? So this bearish gap, if we truly were bearish, in my opinion, this would be showing more respect than what it is. So just this alone is kind of giving me the inclination that we might come back and at least take out, the recent high, and then maybe we look for that, that TGIF setup to happen later in the day. So that's kind of my bias as of right this very second, just looking at the NQ chart here on a higher time frame, the 4-hour chart. So let me know if you guys, from what you guys were looking at, do you guys have the same analysis? Do you guys kind of feel the same way when you see this? This is how I usually basically just read this price action. To me, everything is still kind of showing bullish respect. So for that reason, I feel like I have to respect that until I guess proven otherwise. So dropping back down here in time frame, 15-minute, 5-minute. We'll just scan through all these charts and these time frames quick. Let me put ES back over here on the left. So we got 2.5 minutes or so until 2.5 minutes until we roll over into the hour, silver bullet hour, that is, and then finish off opening range. So we're on the 15s, go 5. Kind of just a big chop fest on this 5-minute. Now it would make a lot of sense in my mind to now go take all that out. I'm sure maybe I could be wrong with the bias. I'm seeing, just looking at even this 15-minute chart now, this kind of being that breaker. We traded now back above it. This entire inefficiency, this gray box right here is the opening range gap from today. So extend this across. Right now, that's what we're hitting. Bullish breaker, okay? So I want to see price start displacing up, and if it can do that, I'd like to start looking for longs. I mean, obviously, if it just sells off, and I'm incorrect, and maybe the draw is here first, that's fine. We'll just, I guess, let that play out then. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking for right now, guys. 40 seconds left on the candle. Viewing this as that sweep to go higher. All buy side up here. Let's let this candle close. So internal sweep, push up off the 15-minute and 1-hour bullish breaker. Looks like a very solid order block here on a 2-minute chart. So I'm going to anticipate getting ready to go long here, guys, okay? And not really helping us out with our stop loss. All right, guys, I'm gonna tack one on right now, okay? More than likely, I mean, I guess for now, I guess for now my stop's probably just going to go here below this candle. It's a 19-point stop. Targeting, I'm just going to target this, I guess. First level of buy side. I guess since it's a little choppy, now we're getting back above these highs. I'm going to go risk free. We'll just do that. I'll play it that way. I'm already risk free, guys, so if we get the follow through and the push up here, I'd kind of like to see it quickly anyway. Alrighty, well, so much for that. I'll let you guys know. Close. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'm going to put one contract on here. I went long. Stop's going to go below this low. Little 1 minute gap right there, bearish gap. We tap that, I'm risk free. Obviously, we hope it rips right through it, but alright, so we're just kind of tapping it. I'm risk free, guys. I don't even care. Just fucking stop me out. Stop me at a break even. I don't even care. What's that Dumb and Dumber quote? I've had it with this dump. Alright, guys, I'm out of break even. Well, here's what I'll say, guys. Like I said, I still want to see the delivery through these highs before even worrying about shorts. So, like, if we're not, for whatever reason, if we're not there at the start of PM session, I guess we'll see where we're at, I guess. But that's what I want to see is that. I'm starting to kind of think that this kind of just threw a wrench in my thought process. This little push down, I mean, if we, let's just say we displaced above it now, you know, you get a fair value gap or something like right here. We're starting to chew away at the risk reward again. I mean, going all the way to the highest, the high of the week, barely a 1 to 2. Not really worth it for me. I don't think, even if we did get something now. So, alrighty, folks, enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend, have fun, be safe, and I will talk to you guys later in the Discord for PM session after we get above these highs, okay? Enjoy your day, everybody. We'll talk soon, and I'll see you guys on the sessions next week.